We're continuing coverage of the coronavirus, and thousands of vaccines are coming to Rhode Island after the FDA granted emergency use authorization to Moderna and Pfizer for children under 5 years old. This expansion now makes vaccines available for all American citizens. ABC 6 News reporter Yanni Trigelis is in the newsroom. He has more on when and how many doses are coming to the Ocean State. Yanni?
The Department of Health tells me nearly 21,000 doses of Pfizer and Moderna vaccines will be coming to Rhode Island this week. This is after the FDA granted the emergency use authorization of vaccines for kids as young as 6 months old. The first order of vaccines for children under 5 years old set to arrive this week in Rhode Island. 20,800 doses in total being made available, the maximum amount for Rhode Island's population. Across the country, about 18 million kids now eligible to get vaccinated, meaning every American citizen can now receive a COVID shot.
This is an incredibly important moment. I mean, obviously for the parents of kids under 5, it's the moment they have been waiting for. But for all of us, this is the last group of Americans who have not yet been eligible.
Moderna's under 5 vaccine, a 2-dose shot, administered 1 month apart. And for Pfizer, the first two coming 3 weeks apart, with a third dose 8 weeks later. The FDA says trials in children under 5 showed the immune response of children was comparable to the immune response of adults. However, parents split down the line on if they will give their little ones the COVID vaccines, with some saying no way will they give their 2-year-old the vaccine, while other parents say their children will be getting vaccinated. Dr. Jha with a message for parents who may be questioning whether to give their children the vaccine.
Look at the evidence, look at the data, and talk to the doctor who takes care of your child. Talk to the pediatrician, talk to the family physician.
Vaccines in the Ocean State arriving later this week, although the DOH says most shots will start being administered next week. In Massachusetts, Governor Charlie Baker announcing doses of Pfizer and Moderna will be available starting Tuesday at more than 400 vaccine locations. And I'm told the state will place another order of Pfizer and Moderna vaccines for children the last week of June. But there has been some hesitancy by parents with vaccinating young children in other age groups. Since children ages 5 to 11 were authorized, less than 35% of American kids have received the vaccine. In the newsroom, Yanni Trigelis, ABC 6 News.